We'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your keycap. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps, come to apps list here. Then all you have to do, so you just search here for kickup, or just click here on search. Then here at kickup, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on full stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here. So just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search for kickup, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.